cross has spoken, the cross has spoken. I am forgiven. The King of Kings called me his own. Oh, Savior, I'm yours forever. Jesus Christ, my living hope. Hallelujah, praise the one who set me free. Hallelujah, death has lost its grip on me. He has broken every chain. There's salvation in your name. Jesus Christ, my living hope. Hello, this is Ronnie from Old Timey Gospel Acoustic Lessons. And I'm doing a lesson this morning. It's called Our Living Hope by Phil Wickham. This is a song I promised to for Lynn, who had made this request because she heard me doing a devotion song on JNR Ministries. And I told her I would go ahead and do that, but it's been a little while, but I'm sorry about that. I've been busy and things has been happening, and but I went ahead and jumped and put this on a Saturday. Today is Saturday, and jumped and tried to get this done as good as I can. So I'll go ahead and scooch up right here and see if I can get the guitar in strumming. Anyway, I have the capo on the 2nd fret, as you see, and that is just for my voice. You can take the capo off, or you can run the capo down wherever you need it for your voice. You know, it depends on the pitch. But anyway, I'm doing it in the key of G. So, regular G right here, 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top. And I do a C add 9 for the C chord. All I do is drop down 2 strings. Actually 1 string each finger. And this is the C add 9. It's a quick changing back to the G. There's an E minor, and I was doing it this way. Actually, I took my bottom fingers off. A lot of people do it use these 2 fingers. Then there's a D chord, regular D, 3, 1, and 2. So anyway, I'll go ahead and guide you on some key points of the song right here. I was doing this for an intro and in between and an outro. I was going like this. I think I did that a couple times, bars each. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, up. How great the chasm that lay between. Wait a minute, it goes to D. How great the chasm that lay between us. How high the mountain, C chord, back to E minor. I could not find D chord. In desperation, I turned to heaven, D chord, and spoke your name into the night. And spoke your name into the night. If you got that, that was and spoke your name, C chord, into D chord, and then back to G. So, and then I might have made a little mistake in there with my voice in the song, but anyway, then you got to kind of change your pitch of your voice to go to this next verse. Then through the darkness, C chord, shadows of my soul. The work is finished. The end is written, D chord. Jesus Christ, C chord. My living hope. But D chord back to G. Doing that transition chord. C at 9 back to G. Do it a couple times. So anyway, the next verse is the same way. Who could imagine so great a mercy? But then we have this other part, hallelujah, and it starts at hallelujah, hallelujah. That's C chord to G, really fast. Hallelujah, praise the one who set me free. That's D chord to E minor. And goes hallelujah, hallelujah. Death has lost its grip on me. The same way. Death has lost its grip on me. D to E minor. He has broken every chain. That's C to G. There's salvation in your name. That's D chord to E minor. Jesus Christ, C chord. D chord, my living hope. Let me see if there's another part right here. I think that is what I got for that song right there. Thank you, Lynn, for requesting this. It gives me a chance to sing that again and put that on there for those who are wanting and needing to learn how to play Our Living Hope by Phil Wickham. But anyway, until next time or the next devotion, tune back in right here to old-timey gospel acoustic lessons for the next song lesson or video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and God bless.